What up? I thought, since I'm sat here doing absolutely nothing with my life, I'd do some animal impressions. So let's go, shall we? Llama. A cow. Moo. Spitter. A pussycat. Meow. I'm not flexible enough. Meow. Oh no. Meow. What about when they're mean? My God. A whale. I am a whale. Snake. What about a snake? A slivery snake. Is this a snake? Oh, everything is this. I can't. Yeah. Just a potato. Yay. I'm a moth. I'm a frog. I'm a frog. Oh no. I'm an antelope. I'm a something. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. And I need to get a life. I need to get a life. Is that a convincing owl? No. Well, I don't even know what this is. What is this? Wolf! Woof! Meow. Meow. What about a goose? Oh my God. Or what noises do animals? Bah! Sheep. What else is there? Or guys, on a level of weirdness are probably a 50, so I'm done for the day. If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see me be even weirder every day. Bye.